If I say xy dash plus y equal to sin x, then what is the integrating factor? Actually, it should be integrating factor. Quickly. Very quickly, yaar. No, no, this is late. Yeah, exactly. Adhyaman, excellent. Adhyaman is like, sir, y dash plus 1 upon y is equals to sine x by x is this question. Right or not? So integrating factor will be e to the power integration of p dx, e to the power integration of log x, right? Not integration, e to the power log x. Log x is x. So what will be the solution, guys? What will be the solution? What will be the solution? What will be the solution? Solution will be y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor. So y into x is equals to minus cos x plus c is the solution. Yes or no? Yeah. Very good. Plus c is important. है ना? Good. Clear? Good. So yesterday we had finished differential equations, right or not? Quick question, making of differential equation. What will be the differential equation of all the ellipse along y-axis? What will be the differential equations of all the ellipse along y-axis? So now it will be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. No. Because when we say along y-axis beta, so for sure the ellipse should look like this, but can also look like this, but can also look like this, right or not? Hence the center can be anywhere. So then the equation is x minus h ka square upon a square plus y minus k ka square by b square equal to 1. Got it? So what will be the order? Yeah, Ganesh, repeating. Ganesh, see, yeah, very good, Adhiyaman, very good. See, Ganesh, the question was, what is the order of the differential equation of, what will be the order of the differential equation of all the ellipses along y-axis? What is the meaning of along y-axis? They should be longer along this, right or not? Not like this, clear? Okay, so good. So standard wise, so this should look like this, where b square is greater than a square. Yes or no? But there is a problem. This is only regarding the ellipse which is having the center as 0. All those clear? Sure. We'll miss out the other ellipses because it is not saying that the center is at 0 comma 0. Then it will be like written random center. Random center is h comma k. Okay, that means now in this equation there are four arbitrary constants a, b, h and k. Hence the order of the differential equation will be 4. Got it? Yeah, if they are saying only along x-axis, then same thing and No difference. Clear? Another question, similar question. What is the equation of circles, differential equations of a family of circles with center at 2 comma minus 3? Quickly. Quickly. Order, only order. I don't want anything else. Order, only order. One. One. Because now I have given you the center. Yes, x minus 2 square plus y minus 3 square equal to r square. So only one. Radius is not given. Clear? Got it? Very good. Very good. Good. Question. Then what is the next chapter? Matrices and determinant. So we have only like how many things to do? We have statistics to do. We have probability of 12th grade to be done. We have matrices and determinant, and you guys ask what? Miscellaneous. Solution of triangle. Clear? So today we will finish matrices and determinants. Clear? Okay. Is matrices and determinant done in school? Yep. So then it is easy. Yeah. Hmm? Then it is easy. Sure. Simple question, simple question, simple question. 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the inverse of this matrix? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Done. Time's up. Yeah. 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1. Yes. Got it? So rearrange them and change the sign. Clear? So what you guys are forgetting is 1 by determinant value. Okay. 4 minus 6. Clear? Yeah. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Everyone, good. In the same way, in the same way, in the same way, in the same way, in the same way. Easy. Literally very, very easy. How will you find the inverse of a 3 by 3? Hmm. No. Options. How will you find? Options. Okay. Not each element. That's what I'm adding. रुक जाओ. पूरा नहीं देखना है. You don't have to see the whole question. See, in the options, there will be 4 options or minimum 3 options, right or not? Other can be nota. Sure. Good. Beta, check for an element, 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 which is different at the same location. Clear? Sure. And just calculate that. You can calculate one element, right? Yeah, I'm coming up with the example. Relax. Relax, huh? Guys, one second. So question is, what is the inverse of 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 4 1 minus 1 2 0 1? Now, see, there are many different values. Okay. So, there are many different values, but three, two, 7, 7 is A to 1. Different. Try. How will you receive A to 1? A to 1 will be the cofactor of this one. Yes or no? A12. Clear? Quickly. Minus 4 minus of minus 2 coming as negative 2. Just check whether determinant value is there or not. So 1 into 3. Yeah. Minus of minus 2 into Clear? Into sure -1 into 0 minus 2. So 2 minus 4 प्लस 2 इज -2, 3 माइनस 2 तो +1 आ रहा है, सही हो गया। ये +2 है, ये 1 है। ये +2 क्यों है? क्योंकि एट दिस पॉइंट साइन चेंज होता है कोफैक्टर का, राइट? यप, सही हो गया। क्लियर? इजी 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 इजी। Clear? So it's okay. Kalaniti? See, the question was find the inverse of this matrix. There were 4 options. What I did is, from the 4 options, I selected one such element which is kind of different in all. So only one element was there which was different in 3 and like common in 2. Clear? So we started calculating it. Which element is A21? A21 is actually achieved by the cofactor, taking the adjoint of the cofactor of A12. Yes or no? While taking the adjoint, what we do? We take transpose of the cofactors. Clear? Yeah. Easy. Sure, good. So, but the very important two things, like one thing actually, sure, finding the inverse is done. Clear? Good. Now coming to multiplication of two matrices, I don't think so there is any doubt. A into B. If A is of the order P by Q and B is the order 2 by 3, what is Q equal to? What is P equal to? No. P can be any positive integer. Yes or no? Or any whole number. Not whole number, any natural number, right? Yup. Good. Got it? Ganesh, see, in this multiplication beta, the mandatory scene is these two should be equal. These two can be of any proportion, okay? But surely P has to be a natural number. If P will not be a natural number, we are not going to receive any matrices. Got it? If A is equals to 2, 1, 2, 2 and B is equals to 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, then what is the determinant value of A into B? Quickly. So first of all, you guys are doing A into B. So it is 2, 4, 4, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 और 4, 8. Right or not? 2 और 2, 4. 6 और 2, 8. Answer is not defined. But did you really have to do all this? No. Right or not? Exactly. Got it? Easy. In the same way, they can also ask what is the transpose of A dot B. So the answer is yes or no? So easy, right? Good. Then comes equations associated with matrices. Okay, I'm not saying simultaneous equation ka solution Ax equal to B. No, I'm saying there is a equation which is matrix based. So when A is equal to 4, 6, minus 1, 3, 0, 2, and 1, minus 2, 5, B is equal to 2401, 2401, minus 1, 2, and C is 312. Then which of the following is not defined? Then which of the following is not defined? Which of the following is not defined? A square plus 2B minus 2A. C, this is not determined, it's just bracket close. C multiplied with C transpose. B transpose multiplied with C and A into B. Which one is, yeah, exactly, right? This and this is possible, but this won't be possible, right or not? Easy. Then comes the knowledge of symmetric and skew symmetric. You remember symmetric and skew symmetric? Very good. Symmetric is A transpose is equals to A. Skew symmetric is A transpose is equals to minus A. Yes or no? If there is a matrix A, then half of A plus A transpose and half of A minus A transpose are two symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Clear? Was there AB dash present? Beta, it was only AB there. Sure. Guys, you know this, right? If A is equals to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, and 2, 2, 2, 1, then what is A square minus 4A equal to? Quickly. The only lengthy thing here is A square, rest all is okay. But I don't want you guys to solve full. Why? Because you will look at the option and the options are 2i, 3i, 4i, 5i. 2i, 3i, 4i, 5i. Now you can tell me in 10 seconds. Oh yeah, no. Yes, exactly. Easy? Yeah, good. Because you will multiply this. So 1, 2, 2 will give you 1 plus 4, 9. Minus 4, right or not, is equals to 5. Easy, 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 easy. Repeat, 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 repeat. Ganesh. Ganesh. Dear, see when it is all I, if there will be other matrix, then you are messed. Okay, sure. Then you will have to do at least 2, 3 rows. Okay. But as you have only I, so you will be looking for what will be I? I will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So you will have to calculate this value, and this value. I am calculating this value. How? The first term of a square will get subtracted by 4 into a. Clear? Now 4 into 8, the first place is 4. Yes or no? We just now calculated our number is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. So answer will be 5i. Clear? Sure. If a is equals to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, then a into a transpose is, quickly, I a minus a and a square. So yeah, you will write a transpose here, cos theta sin theta cos theta, and you know they are the reciprocal of each other. Yes, exactly, very good, got it. Yep. Easy. Good. In order to, yeah, they are inverse of each other. Reciprocal means inverse, sorry, the mathematical term. Okay. Can't. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Now you very well know that for a matrix to be invertible, the determinant of the matrix should not be equal to 0. Yes or no? A matrix whose determinant is 0 is called a singular matrix, right? So for what value of lambda is the matrix invertible? Quickly. For what value of lambda is the matrix invertible? For what value? Okay, as Yeman 6, let's calculate. Lambda is equals to 0 minus 1 minus minus plus 1 into minus 6 minus minus 1. So minus 5 plus 1 into minus 3 0. This should not be equal to 0. So minus lambda minus 5 minus 3. Clear? This is one. Easy, 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 easy. Good. Okay, guys. If I is a unit vector, like what we call it as identity vector, identity matrix. Okay. If I is an identity matrix, okay, what will be the determinant of 3i? It is of the order 3 by 3. 27 beta. Yeah. See, simple. If A is a 3 by 3 matrix and determinant of A is P, then determinant of 3A will be 3 cube B. Determinant of 4A will be 4 cube B. Got it? So, this is with matrices. Now determinant, there are many properties, simplification and all. Clear? Determinant is okay, many properties and all. Clear? And the prominent question is the three orders, sir. Yeah, here also order is 3, the same one. Okay. Now what are the determinant? Determinant is also the arrangement of digits, number and data in rows and column, but mandatorily determinant cannot be another matrix. It has to be. Determinant will have to be. Determinant will have to be a square matrix. Right or not? Determinant is denoted under bars. Clear? If I'll ask you 1 1 1 1 1 plus x 1 1 1 1 plus y, this is equal to what? 1 0 x or x into y. Quickly. So you will be like, sir, max to max क्या कर सकते हो आप? Max to max you can change row 1 to row 1 minus row 2, right? So you will have this, and then expand. So when you expand, this will become plus x in the bracket. You have 1 plus y minus 1, cancel x into y. Easy, 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 easy. Sure. Clear? Most favorite question, most favorite type of question of determinant is utilizing omega. 1 plus 1 plus omega square 1 and 1 plus omega square and omega square 1 minus I 1 minus I minus 1 and omega square minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 plus omega and at last minus 1. What is this equal to? Option is omega I 10. Omega I 10. I'll subtract. So if I'll subtract, this is 0. Guys, 1 plus omega square can be written as omega. Omega square, let it be omega square only. So when I subtract, ऐड कर सकता हूं क्या? ऐड करने में कोई फायदा? माइनस ओमेगा प्लस फायदा तो है. गुड, गॉट इट. जीरो आंसर इसका. दिखाओ. This minus this plus this minus this plus this. See, this minus this, yes or no? Clear? Will give minus I minus 1 plus I. उसको इसमें जोड़ूंगा तो जीरो आ जाएगा. This minus this is 1 and 1 got omega plus this is minus omega, जीरो आ जाएगा. माइनस 1 प्लस दिस, ये सब ये माइनस करूंगा तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. माइनस ओमेगा स्क्वायर ऐड करेंगे जीरो हो जाएगा. एक तीनों जीरो हो गया तो एवरीथिंग इज जीरो. गॉट इट, गॉट इट, गॉट इट, गॉट इट, गॉट इट, गॉट इट. So you don't have to even apply that much big brain, okay? Understand that. You don't have to struggle and burn out that much fuel. Because what happens is, in your theoretical exam, you have a clause that you cannot expand directly. But suppose even if you expand directly, it won't cause any pain. Like it will cause some extra time, but not any pain. So look at it for 3, 7, 10 seconds. And if you don't get an idea about simplified method, expand it. Okay? Yeah. Two columns are same or proportional, 0. Okay, Ganesh? Got it? Is T applicable for both rows and columns? Sir, when two columns are same, the determinant is 0. Yes, Ganesh. Is T applicable for both rows and columns? Yes. Beta Dharni, that's what I'm saying. You will have to look at it. You will find, if not expand, instead of investing time on thinking and doing it wrong, then please expand. Like, for example, okay, I have in front of me x plus 1, 3, 5, 2, x plus 2, 5, 2, 3, x plus 4. Now the scene and the question is that if this is equal to 0, what is x equal to? If this is equal to 0, then what is x? What will you do? What will you do? If you'll expand, you will have a very good, excellent. Yes or no? 1, 3, 5. So that is 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, and 2, 3, 5. Got it? Easy, 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 easy. But with 1, there are 2 more options. With 1, there are 2 more options. 1 and 9, 1 or minus 9. Which one? Good. Right? So, got it, guys. Got it, guys. Got it, guys. Got it, guys. So, no, Adiman, what happened, bete? Minus 9 when you put, minus 9 when you put, you get minus 835 as it is. 2, minus 7, 5. Yes or no? 2, 3. Clear? Minus 5. Sure. So minus 8 into 7 5 is 35, minus 15, 20, minus 3 into minus 15, minus 5, minus 25, minus सही है ना 20. Okay, so and 5 equal to, okay, 6 minus 40. So if you take 20 common, you get 0 inside. Yes or no? Yep, that's it. So good, 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 good. So see you at 12. Clear, guys? Bye, 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 bye.